This $11 million waterfront mansion is its own self-contained oasis. With an indoor pool and its own private casino, this house is like no other. Located in the Sovereign Islands, 15 kilometers north of Surfers Paradise, this canal estate is home to the most expensive homes in Queensland, with a median house price of over $4.1 million. Conveniently located just outside the heart of the Gold Coast, you can enjoy a quiet lifestyle directly next to Australia's loosest city. Welcome to Baltimore, more than just a modern sovereign island masterpiece. It's a bold and bespoke work of art, rising up from a sprawling 1,400 square metre absolute waterfront allotment. The 8-bedroom, 8-bathroom home covers over 2,200 square metres of internal living space and accommodates 15 spots of car storage. Lavishly appointed with lift access to all 4 levels, galleries of glass frame the wide water vistas that follow you throughout, where an indulgent array of amenities await, including a private gold-class cinema and your own casino. Arguably the only home on the Gold Coast to offer such a decadent luxury. Try your luck on the roulette wheel or the cards table. Splashes of red enrich the interiors of this modern marvel, complementing the sleek, monochromatic tones. There's also a chef's kitchen with superior Millet appliances, a climate-controlled 1,500-bottle wine cellar, both formal and informal living zones, plus a palatial dining area beneath a soaring double-height void, trimmed in floor-to-ceiling glass. A top-of-the-range outdoor kitchen presides over an entertaining custom patio seating and inclusions specifically designed to give wet bar and entertainment lounge on the mid-level. Afterwards, retreat to your private wellness sanctuary with a 17 by 8 meter indoor pool, jacuzzi, plus a large gym and sauna, all of which is separated by a 6,000 litre freshwater aquarium. Boating is catered for via a pontoon to accommodate over an 80-foot vessel. Occupying a prime position on a wide waterfront junction, this residence of distinction is just a few minutes to open water and benefits from round-the-clock security patrols. Baltimore truly is a special home in a league of its own.